Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, I think I thought I was done filming today, and then these showed up. This is an Ipsy bagging today, in case you're wondering. This is the Shiny Adventures mystery bag, and I think this is the So Bold, So Hot mystery bag. And if you are new here, hi, hello, how are you? My name is Jennifer, and on my channel I do unboxings, unbaggings, and I talk about a lot of makeup stuff. And if you are interested in that, I also talk about subjects regarding agoraphobia. And if you are interested in either of those topics or both of those topics, then hit the subscribe button down below. I am on the road to 100 subscribers, and I am going to have a giveaway. Some of these items might end up in my giveaway, and so hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we're on our way. If you're interested in seeing what's in these bags, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, I bought the Shiny Adventures bag for $14, and it said it had a retail value of $73.83. Now, inside of the Ipsy bag that it came in, there is a double-ended brush from Farrah. It feels very, very nice. It's like a blushing or contouring end, and maybe a concealer end, however you choose to use it. It is up to you. It is my brush. I will do with it as I choose. The bag is shiny on the outside with white and the Ipsy logo right here, and it is white faux leather, I can imagine, on the back. Now let's see what we've got inside. Okay, first we have something from Nomad Cosmetics, and it says Sydney Bathers. This does not come with a card or anything, so if I am kind of lost, that's why. Okay. Smooth. I can't even read small writing. So we're in this together. We've got this, and it looks like a highlight. I'm going to turn my lights down. So you can see the product better. Yeah, it looks a highlighter to me. Yeah, it does say highlighter on the back. Okay, so the next product is from Context. It is a nude balm, so let's try to open this. Okay, that was fairly easy. I have gotten stuff from Context before. It is very nice. And that is the color. And the color Back for More. Okay. I think that's the color I got. If I had just read that before I opened it, I wouldn't have opened it. Okay, Stuck on You. I'll probably just give that to Erin. What is this? Eye primer. Okay, Stuck on You eye primer. Okay. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And it's just that little amount right there. There's none in the bottom there. So that is the eye primer there. And one more thing is from Element. This might be something else I give to Erin. Illuminate an Amalfi eyeshadow duo. Yeah, I think I already got this. Yeah, I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to give it to Erin. Well, actually, I think I already gave my other one to Erin, so I get to keep this one. So, it came with this duo, the lip balm, the highlighter, the eye primer, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the brush. Do you think that's worth $73.83? I don't know. You tell me. So this is the bag. Everything came in here, and the bag came empty. This is the bag for the So Bold, So Hot. I paid $30 for it. It says it has a retail value of $194. So let's see what we got in this bag. First, I feel something from Tarte. It is Tarte Rush, Sugar Rush. Fresh pressed. Okay, it looks like a lip balm. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to put it in my giveaway. So that is that. Not a lip balm, but a lip gloss is what it feels like. Okay, this I have already is the Breakfast in Bed palette. I'll open it up, but I have this already. So this will go in the giveaway. Just to show you all the colors in there, but I'm not going to swatch it. So that will go in the giveaway. It's a very nice palette. Next, something else from Tarte is a lip filler lip lever. Now this is from Thrive. I'm sorry I didn't show you. Okay, this is the lip liner. I'm going to keep this. From Thrive Cosmetics. It's kind of a dark burgundy color. That's a beautiful color. Okay, and Super Beauty masks, rose blended with Jarrett tea. These are just face masks. I will keep these because I like to do face masks like every day when I can. So that's 4 items, and there are 6 items in here. The Pearlie's Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I will probably put this in the giveaway. It is Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Lightweight, oil-free, water cream that instantly moisturizes and primes skin for makeup. Green tea delivers antioxidants essential to skin health to protect from signs of aging. White tea and vitamin E soothe sensitivity, while French marine plants retain hydration for perfectly primed skin. Okay, that sounds great. And the last thing, great, is a brush from It. I love It brushes. Heavenly Skin. Well, I won't try to tear into that, but that looks like a good brush, maybe even a good foundation brush for me. So, we got in this So Bold, So Hot. I think that is this bag. An It brush. The Pearlie's Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. The Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Lip Liner. They write it in cursive, so you can't really read it very well. The Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. These face masks. And this Tarte Sugar Rush lip gloss. And this bag right here. So, is that worth $194? You tell me what you think. Okay, so those were the 2 mystery bags that I got from Ipsy. I think I have another one on the way. But tell me, let me know in the comments, did you get these mystery bags? Were you happy with them? Did you like the products that you got? Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And subscribe if you haven't already. Help get me to 100 subscribers. And I do a lot of unboxings. I just did my, if it's not up already, I am about to post my BoxyCharm unboxing. And yeah, check me out on my socials down below, and I hope you are having a wonderful day today. And if you are not, I sure hope it gets better for you. And if you are having an especially hard time, then know that I am sending you the good vibes to help you get through your rough patch. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe, And I will see you in my next video, I hope. Okay? Alright, farewell and goodbye.